Here I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So first let's open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. And here you can enable watermark. You can add like author name, watermark information. You can change its size and also change watermark position. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.